Hey guys, in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can clear data from a website on the Samsung Galaxy S22 series. First, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Then, open up the Samsung Internet app. Next, tap on the menu key at the bottom. From the pop-up menu, tap on Settings. In Settings, go down to the bottom and tap on Sites and Downloads. Then tap on Manage Website Data. Next, go down the list here and select a website that you want to remove the data. So for example, this site here, Airship. Touch and hold on it. Then it will be selected with a checkbox. Now tap on the Delete button at the bottom. And that's it. That is how you can delete or clear a website data on the Samsung Galaxy S22 series. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.